eyeshadow base.
So then you want to blend it.
So I'm going to add this skin tone color and make sure this isn't crease. Just blend it. I'm going to go get this heat. This is from Morphe. This is the Stunning Vibes. I'm going to apply it and put it in the crease. I'm going to add a Mojo in the inner and outer.
So right here, you always want to start it and work your way to be adding more. I'm trying to show you where I add it. So right here.
So this is what it's looking. Don't forget to blend. Blending is key.
So once you do that, you blend as well as you can, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add this liquid eyeshadow in the center of your eye.
So on top of the liquid eyeshadow, I'm gonna add this one and this one, and I'm gonna apply it on top. So that's pretty much it. I use the eyeliner. Then for my eyebrow, I'm gonna use this one. This one's in chocolate. I added my foundation. I'm done with blending my foundation. I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna contour it. So I grab some and just use my brush. It's like an angled brush and just contour.
I'm also baking my face just a little bit, not too much, because I look very cakey. I'm also gonna add some blush. This is like from a little palette I don't know the name of, but I really like these two colors together.
So just gonna blend that blush. This is my highlight.
So this is the final look. I just put a wig on because my hair's
Just so now I have filter, and of course it looks way better. So, oh my god, these eyes look so pretty. Yes, these are contour.